How to remove payment method in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So let's start the video. First of all, open App Store and then open a account and then click on your account and here see the option manage account. Here firstly want to your sign in password or your face ID. While using sign in password or face ID, you can show this page and then click on manage payments, and here you can add or remove your payments. If you want to add your payment methods, then here write your number, date and CVV and then click on done. And if you have add any, then to remove, then simply press and hold on this method and you can see the option remove. So this is the way to remove payment method in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.